Hey everybody, I'm Joey at redmeatlover.com, and today I'm in downtown Collinsville for Smokin on Main. So follow me and let's check it out. So here we are in downtown Collinsville on Main Street celebrating Smokin on Main, and as you can see, we have vendors from across the St. Louis metropolitan area down here selling everything from brisket to turkey legs, chicken and pork, and a whole host of other options available for the hungry masses that are visiting today. This event is expecting anywhere from 20 to 30,000 people over the course of the weekend. That's absolutely tremendous. And on this side we have all the food vendors, but on that side, which we'll take you to in just a minute, we have the competition barbecuers. The competition goes down tomorrow with categories of pork, chicken, and steak, as well as we have a Steak Cook-Off Association event where local competitors come together from across the region to compete in a ribeye competition. So let's follow me.
This is my first time to Collinsville. It's a really cool town. I love the whole vibe with the vendors up and down the streets.
Yeah.
The teams all spread out, and you've got SCA steak teams, you've got the backyard guys, you've got all these pro teams.
Yeah.
And I don't know how many it is, but it seems like there's well over 50, 60 teams here competing in all different kinds of categories.
Absolutely.
So it'll be a fun weekend. It smells phenomenal out here.
All right, I love it. Meat sweats. Those are my favorite. So what's your favorite cut of meat? What do you like to eat?
Steak.
Steak. There's nothing wrong with that. You're raising this boy right.
That's right.
Yeah, so I hear you're participating in the competition tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm competing tomorrow. My wife and I run in the red zone. We've been competing for the last several years. We do this about 15 times a year. So tomorrow we'll do some prep work tonight to get ready for tomorrow, where we'll cook brisket, chicken, pork, and pork ribs.
Smokin on Main, sponsored by Code 3 Spice, is a great company that produces spices and sauces. If you're looking for some way to turn up your next meal, go check them out. They donate a portion of all their proceeds. If you're looking to turn up your next meal, check out Code 3 Spices. That thing's absolutely beautiful, man.
Yeah,
that is top of the line.
It's a wood-fired pit. We're cooking on cherry today. It's a traditional, offset smoker. We have reverse flow smokers, but this is an offset. It weighs about 7,500 pounds.
Woo!
I don't know, it'll cook a lot of food.
It'll cook a lot of food.
It'll cook a lot of food, but we winch it up in the trailer, and when you're having events like this, they put on here,
Yeah.
we break out the big stuff.
If it's noisy, that means it's fun. And it is noisy, smells good, and we're gonna have a blast here at Smokin on Main. Everybody, this is Mike from Code 3 Spices. Code 3 sponsors the event, Smokin on Main.
Our dear friends Sweet Baby Ray and Malcom Reed came in town. They do it because they love it. They don't do it for the bottom dollar. That's really why all of us do it. We do it because we love it. We don't get a thing out of this. All the money goes back to our charities. We do it because we love our community.
And I'm here with Greg from Sugar Fire Smokehouse. How you doing today?
Good, doing well.
Good to see you. Thanks for taking a few minutes of your time. Greg has two little interns here with him. What's your names, guys?
Noah.
Noah? Max, nice to meet you guys.
We got about 120-pound dressed out hog there. So basically, we take all the guts out, split it down the middle, and then we split the spare ribs from the backbone, kind of push it out, and that's how we cook it flat like that.
Is this something where you cook more to temperature or more to time?
It really holds really well because there's a fat layer right underneath the skin there.
Right.
So it really doesn't matter. I mean, we do it for about 20 hours is what we normally fit because we really do it really slow.
Okay. Low and
So
slow.
we pack the underneath there with some butts, or sometimes chicken, sometimes sausage, just to save the tenderloins.
So I'm here with Lauren from boneappetite.com. She was one of my fellow judges today in the Steak Cook-Off Association, and we had the pleasure of judging, what, 15 different ribeyes?
Yeah, they were delicious.
You cook a lot, I take it, operating the food blog. Tell me, what's your favorite thing to barbecue when you're out there barbecuing? What's your favorite meat?
I'm definitely gonna go with like pork shoulder, pork butt.
Okay.
I'm a pulled pork fan, 100%.
It's been an incredible day at Smokin on Main. We've met a lot of great people. We've tried a lot of absolutely incredible food. Thanks for tuning in and keep following us for more cooking meat made easy. I'll see you next time.